I've got the valves shut. They're all shut. Actually, I've got this shut. I'm going to open it up real slowly. Just barely turn it on there. Okay, it's open now. I'm gonna wait 60 seconds or so. Okay, I'll try to start up now. Open up the valve. Halfway. All right, started. And you can see right away there's the yellow flame there. I've only got the burner on the left going. I'll go ahead and start the middle burner. That's going. And now the burner on the right. The yellow flame on the left is kind of constant, then it starts up on the right. I mean, it flickers up a little bit, but it gets to be constant on the left and right. Not much of it on the main tubes, burner tubes, but it's always on that crossover tube.